Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to consume GNC weight gainer. To start, always mix the powder with your preferred liquid, like water or milk, following the serving size indicated on the product label. It's best to consume your shake between meals or right after a workout to support your calorie and nutrient intake for weight gain. Adjust the amount based on your individual dietary needs. For a smooth shake, use a shaker bottle or blender. Start by adding your liquid, such as 16 fluid ounces of water or milk, then add the recommended scoops of powder. Blend thoroughly until there are no clumps, ensuring a consistent texture. You can also blend in fruits or yogurt for a delicious, nutrient-rich smoothie, adding extra calories and flavor. The best times to consume your weight gainer are post-workout for muscle recovery and between meals to boost your daily calorie intake. Some also find it beneficial to have a serving before bed to provide sustained nutrient release overnight. You can consume 1 to 2 servings per day, depending on your specific weight gain goals and calorie requirements. Begin with a smaller amount, perhaps a half serving, to see how your body responds. Gradually increase to the full serving size as you become accustomed to it. Monitor your weight and adjust your intake to align with your progress. For personalized guidance on dosage and dietary planning, consider consulting a healthcare or fitness professional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.